Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add and edit transparent videos on Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted to give your website that extra sparkle or bring your design to life with dynamic visuals, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know exactly how to place a transparent video on your Wix page, but also how to customize it so it fits your brand and style perfectly. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to be in the Wix Studio editor on the page you want to work on. Start by looking for that Add Element button. This is your toolkit to all things creative in Wix. Give it a click. You'll see a range of options pop up, but what we're after today is decorative. Think of this section as the little details that add personality to your site, whether it's shapes, illustrations, or, as we're focusing on now, transparent videos. Next, within Decorative, you'll see an option for Transparent Videos. Click on that to open up Wix's library of videos with transparent backgrounds. These are really neat since they don't come with a solid backdrop. They seamlessly blend into your website's design, whether it's an image, a special color, or another video behind it. If you don't see the video you're hoping for right away, just click where it says More Transparent Videos. This will unlock even more choices. You can browse through various categories. Maybe you're looking for something animated or perhaps a fun overlay effect. Take your time and preview any video you're curious about so you can see how it moves and how it might look on your page. And really remember, the video you choose can subtly set the mood for your whole site. So think about your brand and the vibe you want your visitors to feel. Once you've found one that catches your eye, simply select it. You'll see an option to Add to Page. Click that, and the video will pop right onto your working canvas. If it doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes large video files can take a few moments to load, depending on your internet speed. The next step is where the magic happens: customizing your transparent video to make it uniquely yours. Over on the right side, you'll see the Inspector pane. This is like your personal creative control center. Clicking on the video element opens up all sorts of settings, from adjusting the size and placement to tweaking how the video plays. For example, you might want to resize the video so that it's just a subtle accent in your hero section, or make it the main centerpiece of your landing page. You'll also have options to choose whether the video loops, how it starts, and sometimes even change its opacity if you want an even softer look. The Inspector pane lets you experiment until it feels just right. And if something doesn't look the way you pictured it, don't stress. Every adjustment is reversible, and Wix makes it easy to preview changes live as you go. That's really all there is to it. Adding and customizing transparent videos in Wix Studio is a fantastic way to add some motion and personality to your site without overwhelming your visitors' experience. These videos can feel like little pieces of magic layered over your design, drawing attention but letting your content shine through. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear what kind of transparent video you added to your site, so drop a comment below with your favorite pick or any questions I can help with. And if you want more easy-to-follow guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.